Very good morning, guys. This is Yashwant. So today we are seeing this Blue Board 2.0 mission is running at LVM3-M6. Within a few seconds, the launch is started. So within 15 seconds, this is the 73rd rocket satellite is launching in Sriharikota, SDSC Shah. So please see this wonderful thing which has been happened. So,
2, 1, 0.
yeah, rocket launch started.
Both S200 motors ignited.
Please see, guys, how the rocket.
LVM3-M6 Bluebird Block 2 mission, a majestic liftoff. The rocket is
Mighty
beautifully
boom.
steering through the bright Sriharikota sky.
LVM3-M6.
See how rocket is launching and how successfully the rocket is been going on. So please see the guys.
LVM3-M6
So
rocket. दोनों ठोस नोदक वाले S200 बूस्टर्स प्रज्वलित हैं.
please subscribe my channel. Okay. So LVM3-M6 rocket launched. So right now, so it has been maybe successfully launched. So it will be successfully go for the sat to this.
Twin S200 motors.